Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the add to cart button color on Shopify. So let's head over right here, and as you can see I have a product, and in here you can see that the add to cart button is actually kind of lifeless. So if you want to change how it looks, you can head over right here to your store and then go to your online store. From in there, click on this customize option, and then in here you can see your Shopify editor. Now, click on this home page right here and click on this products and then click on this default product. Now, you should be able to see this. So we have in here this add to cart option. You can head over and then add it to tile to your liking through this method. So if you want, you can click on this three dots. You can hide and remove it if you want. You can also put in here the theme settings, like for example, the colors, typography, and a lot more. For example, let's choose in here a blue typography, and we have in here this. So we have the solid button label. Now this will change into blue if we use this particular color scheme. So let's head over and then just choose this color scheme that we have right there. Alternatively, if color scheme is just not doing it for you, you can head over right here to your online store and then change the theme that you have. Click on this right here, and then from in there you can see in here some popular themes that you can choose from, like for example this refresh theme. Click on this try theme right here, and then this will be added onto your actual store, and then this will prepare the theme, so just wait for this. Now, as you can see, when we change your theme, it will change the whole aspect of our store, and it will actually also change up the add to cart button color into blue, which is the theme color. So you can refresh your page in order to see what it looks like right now on the preview right here. You can head over and publish it if you want and enable it right here. So that's how you add or change the add to cart button color on Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.